Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tay, and over here we talk about beauty related videos. No, over here we make beauty related content. But yeah, if you like that, please be sure to subscribe. So today, as you can see by the title, we are going to be talking about this gorgeous hair from Asteria here. Like, this hair, the color is number 4, and I thought I wanted it to be a bit more chocolatey, like a bit more rich, but I really love it. I thought it was gonna be like too close to my skin tone, but it's so pretty. Like, looking at it now, I'm like, I'm in love. But yeah, so can you believe I didn't do a damn thing to this hair? I did not curl it, I did not dye it, I didn't bleach the knots, and I did not pluck it. All I did was install this wig. What? Look at the lace. The lace is banging. But yeah, if you want to see how we got here, please keep on watching. So yeah, this is the box. I've seen better, but we're talking about the hair. So it's HG lace 13x4 and a medium-sized cap. Look at the curls. So this is why I actually didn't touch the hair, because I didn't want to mess up the curls. I wanted to see what it would look like if I installed it straight out the box. The lace is lacing, the knots are tiny, and it's giving. So yeah, this wig actually had a full frontal, 13x4 full frontal. The construction is pretty normal. It has an elastic band, we thank God. And this is what it looks like after I use a zigzag scissors to cut off the lace and I just slap it on. It's like almost ready to go, like out of the box, almost ready to go. I love it. I'm too lazy to be doing bold caps, and also bold caps are like taking my edges because I'm too lazy to take them off properly. So yeah, you're just gonna have to see that cap. Maybe I'm gonna try and use the invisible caps. I don't think I'm gonna use them for bold caps, but maybe they just look better underneath wigs. But yeah, so I'm just using my Ebin spray to adhere the wig. I've been loving this Ebin spray recently, like, especially as a girly that only wears her wig for a day. Like, gorgeous. It melts amazingly. It's not bulky. It's the perfect adhesive. Like, it dries fast as everything. But yeah, I'm just doing the middle section first. I put some spray down. I like to put it on the back of my hand and then use my finger to dab it in and then just put the lace on. And I also work in sections, so I start in the middle, then do the sides. So now it's on, and I'm just like scraping the excess hairs, like making sure they're not stuck to the lace. So I'm just scraping them off and then like combing the excess Ebin out of the hair, and then I move on to the side, rinse and repeat, do the exact same thing. So with the ear tabs, I like to pay special attention to those because those are the first things to come up, like even while you're styling. If I did want to wear my wig for longer, I might still do Ebin on the front, but then do wig glue on the sides. I'm not the best at cutting ear tabs, but I'm getting better. Ear tabs are just not my favorite thing to cut. There are so many hacks, and I'm actually going to try and put some hacks to the test. But as you can see, I'm just taking off any excess lace right there at the ear. And I definitely rinse and repeat and do the same thing to the other side. So this is what it looks like now. I put it up so I can get all the hair out of my face. And then I'm now putting a second layer of Ebin right on top. This is just for some extra security because I'm not using my blow dryer. Sometimes it does come up, so it did come up, but it's easy to fix. If I was using my blow dryer, it's going to be a lot quicker drying, so it's not going to come up just because there's moisture there. So that's a lesson. Use your blow dryer, girls. So I'm just putting the band on now, and this is it after the band comes off. Like, the melt is everything. It looks a bit ashy, but we're going to fix that. So I'm just using some foundation that's a little bit darker than me. You can also use bronzer. Just try not to go too dark, but also don't go too light. So do you see how that just melts into my skin? You cannot tell me that's not my hair. Wow. So for the final seal, I'm using some spritz just to make sure that the makeup, everything is just tied together. There's no line of demarcation. And the blow dryer, finally the blow dryer comes out. I should have been using it all through, but you know, it's not necessary. If you don't have it, you can still make it work. So yeah, this is what it looks like after everything. Damn near perfect. I still need to take off some excess products, so I'm just like combing some out.
like that helps you get some out, and then you can also use like a cotton pad with a bit of alcohol in it to get anything extra out, or you can use micellar water, that's a bit more gentle. But yeah, that's the finished look.
So yes, this is the finished look. Please be sure to check out Asteria here, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd love to see you in the next one.